Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you that Dogelon Mars has broken out a very massive resistance of a very big falling wedge pattern on the 7 day time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price and could not break out this long-term resistance of 0.0000 and 0042 dollars. And after this rejection, the price and again moved down. And by the way, here we also broke out this resistance of the up channel as well. And the price end was also moving inside this up channel while it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern. And before the breakout, we formed this up channel. And now after this rejection, the price end has re-entered the same channel that was previously broken out and retested the support. And at the same time, we also had a very huge hidden bullish divergence signal that I've been showing you in my previous videos as well. And I was showing you that the price line was forming higher low than previous low. At the same time, stochastic was forming lower than previous low, and that was a bullish sign, a hidden bullish a divergence signal sign, a signal for the price reversal. And now you can see that the price line is following this signal. It did not break down this support and did not break down this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. That is another very massive resistance that we need to break out. We have broken out the lower bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now we need to break out the upper bands. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Dogelon Mars that I shared a few days ago with my members. And this is a quite long-term trade signal, by the way, because this move is formed on a weekly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Dogelon Mars. And by the way, if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. And this is the most recent trade signal for Dogelon Mars. That was a formation of a very massive harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that it has formed on a weekly time frame chart. And you can see that the price line was moving somewhere approximately at 1826. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line has geared up, and I'm expecting that soon it will hit the sell targets on. And as per the Fibonacci sequence of this garlic move, the targets are from between 2838 and goes to 0.000000 and 3728 dollars. Now let's take a look at the weekly live weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of November 2021, it was moving inside this quite long-term falling wedge pattern. In here in the month of Feb 2024, we broke out the resistance, but after the breakout, the price and could not break out this long-term resistance of 4.2 that had been previously breaking as a resistance here, and now it worked as a very strong resistance once again. Here, by the way, we also broke out this up channel as well, and after the breakout, the price line retested the previous resistance of the channel as a support and geared up, but could not continue this move to the upside and re-enter the same channel that was previously broken out. At the same time, the price line also could not break out the upper bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance as well. And now it has tested the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud and gearing up from the support of this lower bands as well. At the same time, we have a very huge hidden bullish divergence signal flashed on this weekly time frame chart as the price line was forming higher low than previous low, and the stochastic oscillator was forming lower than previous low. And now we have received a bull cross by the stochastic as well from the oversold zone. Previously, when we received the bull cross from the oversold zone here, then we had a very nice rally, and the price line for a while broke out the resistance of the channel as well. Therefore, this time there is a very high probability that the price line may try to break out the resistance of the channel. Somewhere here we have this resistance at 0.0000 and 003027. And once the price line will be able to break out the resistance of this channel, then target for this breakout will be here. That will be approximately at this next long-term resistance of 5520. And now if we take a look at the final target for this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 0.0000 and 0 5 times 0 $2276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.